A horse is a very important animal symbol and is used widely by the Feng Shui practitioners and in Chinese home decoration arts. It is very popular and is often displayed at the entrance area of home or office. But what does it really mean? Keep watching this video to know how proper horse placement at home can transform your life. Please remember to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting videos. This is a symbol of success. A horse represents victory, safety, loyalty, security, courage, speed, swiftness, and endurance. All these qualities are essential for success in business, study, and to get fame. Some images of horse paintings depict bird flying below the hooves of galloping horse. This image depicts that even the speed and swiftness of birds can be overtaken by ambitious horse by succeeding in business and career without compromising ethics. Why is horse usually placed at the entrance hall? Well, a horse is considered as a powerful symbol and is placed at the entrance area to conquer any negative energies from entering the premises and only let positive energies flow in. There are two popular types of horse symbols in Feng Shui. These differ in the purpose and symbolism. The first one is victory horse and the second one is a tribute horse. A victory horse is depicted as galloping with his head facing towards the sky and marching towards success. Victory horse is a symbol of career success, energy, strength, victory, motivation, competitive advantage, new business opportunities, growth in education field, and scholarly traits. The other one is a tribute horse, which is represented as a bejeweled wealth horse carrying wealth, money, and fortune. This symbol is used to shoo away the negative energy caused by bad intentions of others and to attract wealth, luck, money, prosperity, fortune with stability. So now that we know the uses of a horse, where and how to place the horse for Feng Shui benefits. The placement of horse as per Feng Shui Bagua theory helps in achieving the desired results. Horse represents element of fire and should always be facing door or window. Ideal placement in office. As per Feng Shui Bagua theory, south is the direction of success and fame. Therefore, horse should be placed in south corner or south sector of office for success, reputation, fame, and appreciation. If you have a small cubicle type workspace, place it on the desk facing towards the visitors, preferably in the south direction. For strengthening business partnerships, place a pair of horses together. Ideal placement at home. Place it in the entrance hall or passage near the entry gate to attract good luck, new opportunities, and good reputation. This helps in attracting the positive chi energy and keeps away the negative chi energy from entering the house. For people who are always in public eye, like politicians, this should be placed in south sector. For a happy marriage, a pair of horses is recommended, but do not place it in the bedroom. Ideal placement for students. For competitive success in examinations and to boost the education luck, place the horse at the study table. So as the horse helps in getting fame and reputation, it is an ideal gift for artists, actors, politicians, people in the field of creativity, businessmen, and students. So this becomes an ideal gift showpiece.